Hi, everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Morgantown, West Virginia, a vibrant Appalachian city where scenic river valleys, rolling mountain views, energetic college town culture, and outdoor adventure come together to create an unforgettable travel experience. Located along the Monongahela River and surrounded by the natural beauty of northern West Virginia, Morgantown offers visitors a unique combination of nature, history, sports, and local culture. Home to West Virginia University, the city has a youthful atmosphere while still maintaining the welcoming charm of a small mountain community. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a road trip through Appalachia, or a visit to explore the outdoors, Morgantown offers plenty to see and do. Let's explore the 10 best things to do in Morgantown, each offering an equally detailed and memorable highlight of this lively West Virginia destination. 1. Walk or bike the Caperton Rail Trail and enjoy. Scenic river landscapes. The Caperton Rail Trail is one of Morgantown's most beloved outdoor attractions, offering a scenic pathway that follows the Monongahela River through the heart of the city. Perfect for walking, jogging, biking, or simply enjoying a relaxing stroll, the trail provides beautiful views of the water, surrounding hills, and local neighborhoods. Visitors can stop at benches along the way, watch kayakers on the river, or enjoy peaceful moments surrounded by nature. The trail connects with other regional routes, making it easy to explore more of the area, while experiencing Morgantown's strong connection to outdoor recreation and healthy living. 2. Explore West Virginia University and experience the energy of a college town. West Virginia University plays a central role in shaping Morgantown's culture and atmosphere. Walking through the campus offers visitors a chance to admire historic academic buildings, modern facilities, and lively student gathering spaces. The university hosts sporting events, concerts, theater productions, and educational programs that visitors can often attend. During football season, the excitement around Mountaineer games creates an electric energy that spreads throughout the city. Even outside of game days, the campus provides beautiful views and a vibrant atmosphere that reflects the youthful spirit of Morgantown. 3. Ride the personal rapid transit system for a unique transportation experience. Morgantown's personal rapid transit system, commonly known as the PRT, is one of the few automated public transportation systems of its kind in the United States. The small driverless vehicles travel along elevated tracks connecting different parts of the city and university campus. Riding the PRT is both practical and fun, offering visitors a unique way to move around while experiencing a piece of innovative transportation history. The smooth ride and elevated views add an interesting perspective of the city, making it more than just a means of getting from one place to another. 4. Visit Cooper's Rock State Forest and enjoy breathtaking Appalachian views. Just a short drive from downtown Morgantown, Cooper's Rock State Forest offers some of the most stunning scenic views in West Virginia. The famous overlook provides sweeping panoramas of the Cheat River Gorge and surrounding mountains, creating a breathtaking backdrop for photos and quiet reflection. Hiking trails wind through dense forests, offering opportunities for wildlife sightings and peaceful outdoor exploration. During autumn, the colorful foliage transforms the landscape into a vibrant display of reds, oranges, and golds, making it one of the best seasonal destinations near the city. 5. Discover Morgantown history at the Morgantown History Museum. The Morgantown History Museum offers visitors a deeper understanding of the city's past through exhibits that showcase local artifacts, photographs, and historical stories. Displays cover early settlement, industrial development, and the influence of the university on the region's growth. The museum provides valuable context for understanding how Morgantown evolved from a small river town into a thriving educational and cultural center. Its central location makes it an easy stop while exploring downtown, adding historical perspective to your visit. 6. Relax at Dorsey's Knob Park and take in panoramic city views. Dorsey's Knob Park is one of Morgantown's most scenic locations, known for its elevated position offering wide views of the city and surrounding hills. Visitors can enjoy walking trails, picnic areas, and an observation tower that provides even more impressive perspectives. The peaceful atmosphere makes it a perfect place to relax, enjoy nature, or watch the changing colors of the sky at sunset. The park's natural beauty highlights the rolling landscapes that define this part of Appalachia. 7. Experience arts and performances at the Creative Arts Center. The Creative Arts Center, located on the university campus, serves as a cultural hub where visitors can enjoy concerts, theater performances, dance shows, and art exhibitions. The venue hosts both student productions and professional performances, showcasing a wide range of artistic talent. Attending an event here offers a great way to experience Morgantown's creative energy and community spirit. The center reflects the city's appreciation for arts and culture, adding depth and variety to the local entertainment scene. 8. Explore downtown Morgantown and enjoy local food and shopping. Downtown Morgantown offers a lively and walkable area filled with local restaurants, coffee shops, bookstores, and boutique stores. Visitors can enjoy Appalachian-inspired dishes, craft beverages, and locally roasted coffee while soaking in the friendly atmosphere. Street murals, small galleries, and live music venues add personality and creativity to the area. Whether you're looking for a casual meal or a relaxing evening out, downtown provides plenty of options that reflect the city's welcoming character and youthful energy. 9. Spend time at Cheat Lake and enjoy water-based recreation. Cheat Lake is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts seeking water activities and scenic relaxation. Visitors can go boating, fishing, kayaking, or paddleboarding while enjoying views of forested hills surrounding the lake. Waterfront restaurants and picnic areas provide opportunities to relax after a day on the water. The calm setting makes Cheat Lake an excellent escape from city life while still being easily accessible from Morgantown. 10. Watch the sunset over the Appalachian Hills for a perfect ending. One of the most memorable experiences in Morgantown is watching the sunset over the rolling Appalachian Hills. Whether you choose a scenic overlook, a riverside trail, or a quiet park, the evening light transforms the landscape into warm shades of orange and pink. The peaceful atmosphere and wide-open views create a calming moment that captures the natural beauty and relaxed pace of life in West Virginia. And there you have it. 10 unforgettable things to do in Morgantown, West Virginia. From scenic trails and mountain overlooks to cultural attractions, college town energy, and riverside relaxation. Morgantown offers a travel experience filled with outdoor adventure, local charm, and Appalachian beauty. Whether you're exploring nature, enjoying live performances, or simply walking along the river at sunset, this welcoming city invites you to slow down and enjoy everything it has to offer. Which Morgantown experience are you most excited to explore first?